Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. I was actually planning on filming this video today, but I thought might as well, while it's a nice sunny day. Now, what I'm going to be doing in this video is cleaning my drains. Not my drains, but cleaning the car drains. I'll do the front ones from camera, but the back ones I'll do off camera, it's not really too hard. But it is quite important to clean up the drains on the car after you. They're there for a reason, obviously, and that's to drain water away from places where it shouldn't be, or stop water getting to places where it shouldn't be. Either way, they're meant to be there for a reason. Now, I'm going to show you, obviously, on both of these cars, my C240, my C280 here, and my 190. So, before I get on with doing that, I'd like to say, if you wouldn't mind already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really does help my channel to grow. Okay, so with the bonnet up, you see just over here, so you've got that guttering drains along here, and things like this stick here are not going to be good. So come just around the corner here, and you see just here is a drain, and on top it's blocked-ish. So we need to clean all this off to allow water to better drain out. What I have here is just regular brush, indoor brush, and I'm just going to gently work that about. And clean these gutters. This is only a little rubber seal, and I don't want it getting around places where it shouldn't be. I mean, it's not too bad on this car. It's on the 190, that's a bit worse, because they can overflow a bit easier. Okay, and from this side as well. Not too bad on that one. But I should definitely could drain on that one. I would have thought it would be though, but apparently not. Right, yeah, no drain. I would have thought no more. Would have been. And I dip that just in there, and it is quite dirty and blocked. And again, got myself a little jug of water. Okay, that should come in on here. Get this mud cleaned up a bit better. Still would have thought the drain would be right at the bottom and not near the top like it is. No, I do. Now I don't think that drain is working correctly as it's dripping onto the fuse box here. Just flush that. There you it. Emptying down into there. Now to move on to the 190 drainage. So the drainage channel, the main one from the windscreen, comes down here into through this gap along here, into this rubber part in here, into this trough, and right down the bottom out there. Now, a lot of times these drainage ditches down here get blocked and they stop water from going out, and they then start to overfill like through out here and upper ends, and come down into here and start rusting. This is a little bit rushed down the bottom here. No doubt at one point this time it overflowed and drained, blocked. So if I put it onto here, this around, bit of water into here, see that fills up there, and comes out, and it drips down through a hole along here, just along the top. But you see it come out now, there's a little hole it exits Now this doesn't look too bad, but I'm just going to clean that just in case. That's that one, and then down the bottom here, just to make sure it is all clean. You can put some more water down here. And that flush through. You can see it's taking its time to come out. That to me this is still not perfect. Yeah, I've really got it now. Yeah, I can hear that draining out. Perfect. Again, to hear stuff inside. And it's very common for these corners to flood and fill the battery and rust out the battery and underneath it. See, this one's not too bad. But on this one, there's no tray, collector tray here. What the problem is with these ones is this little hole right here pops off and the water fills up, goes under here, and rather as you see it goes out through past the inner wing, and there's a little gap that comes out of. But yeah, this comes off normally, and the water usually goes straight into the battery tree. Please, this one is all clear, but I think we're going to clean it anyway. Yep. And again, out through the hole where it's meant to come out. Seen this before. I'm going to make sure there's nothing big in there. Yeah, don't push too hard because you don't want to push that tube off. And believe me, they are not easy to get back on. When I bought this car, this one was actually hanging off. So that's just a quick video of me doing the engine, the front drainage on the engine bay on both my cars so far. Now, like, you know, I will do the rear ones off camera, not be too hard. This is normally just two in the boot wells, which can be sometimes get blocked, not too common, but they can happen. That can happen. And then again, you get massive puddles of water in the boot, and I'd rather that not happen. So, but I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, as if you like and subscribe helps me seeing this channel to grow. Now, once again, it's been On the Drive, and I'll see you in the next video.